Dr. Bernstein, let me go to you, and I want to start on that new Oregon case that Heidi just referenced there. We still don't know if that is the death that is connected to the vaccine. Even if it were, it would still be exceedingly, exceedingly rare. But I wonder what you make of that development and what questions you might want answered about that today.
So it's certainly tragic that that happened, but we expect that there are going to be some cases potentially relating to the administration of the vaccine. But, at this point, the benefits seem to outweigh that. And the decision that we need to do is look more closely at all of the information for all the cases and see if there's a specific pattern. And so a lot of that data, I have not seen that data yet, so that will be presented to the entire ACIP and then the expert liaisons this afternoon.
There was a postponement of this decision last week. What is your level of confidence, Doctor, that you'll be voting and making a recommendation on this today?
Well, I'm confident that that will happen. It's incredibly impressive how the system works, the vaccine safety surveillance of the country. This was picked up through the Vaccine Adverse Event Reporting System called VAERS, and that detected a signal. And that required, it didn't say cause and effect. What it did is said it required a full investigation. And honestly, in a matter of days, the meeting was held within 24 to 48 hours of that pattern being identified. And now this second meeting is measured in days later. And so I think it's very important in order to get as much information as we can in making a decision with next steps with the J&J vaccine.
You talk about that decision. I know you haven't been given the options that you're going to be voting on yet, but your expectation is that they'll be either approve the vaccine as is, approve it with a warning label, delay the decision to get more information and more time, or to take away the vaccine's approval altogether. I realize you don't have all the data yet that will be presented to you today, but based on what you do know, what you have seen from public reporting, do you have a sense of where you're leaning yet?
For me, honestly, without having seen the data, I really can't say exactly where I fall. There's no question that the vaccine serves an important place in the COVID-19 vaccination program. We need as many people vaccinated as possible. And the J&J vaccine is remarkably safe and effective. It's only one dose. It can only be given or maintained with refrigeration. So we can reach hard to reach populations. And the more people that get vaccinated, the better. We need 80% of the population to be vaccinated in order to develop community immunity. And Johnson & Johnson's vaccine definitely can help in that quest. We also know that these rare events are just that. They are rare and haven't occurred with the other two COVID-19 vaccines that are licensed or approved, I should say, for emergency use in the U.S.
Hey, thanks for watching our YouTube channel. You should know that you can follow today's top stories and breaking news and catch up on your favorite MSNBC shows all in one place. Download the NBC News app today.